Good morning, Arjun. How's everything today?
Morning, Sarah. Everything's fine. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. Did you manage to finish the report from yesterday?
Almost done. I just need to check the numbers again before sending it to the manager.
Great. Let me know if you need a second pair of eyes.
Sarah, I noticed that the client asked for a change in the presentation slides. I'm not sure how to adjust the data chart.
Okay, show me. We can replace this bar chart with a line chart that will make the trend easier to understand.
Oh, I see. So, we just change the chart type and keep the data the same?
Exactly. And make sure the colors match the brand guidelines.
Got it. I'll do that now.
Arjun, we have a client call at 11. Can you prepare the updated slides and share them with me?
Sure. I'll have them ready by 10:45.
Perfect. Also, be ready to answer any questions about the campaign budget.
Okay. I'll review the budget sheet before the call. Sarah, the email draft I sent to the client bounced back.
Did you check the email address?
Yes, I copied it from the CRM, but maybe there's a typo.
Let's double check. I see there's a missing dot in the domain. Fix it and resend.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll resend it right away.
By the way, did you watch the match last night?
Yes, it was amazing. I couldn't believe that last minute goal.
I know, right? I was cheering so loud that my cat ran away.
That's funny. Who's your favorite player?
I really like the captain. Very consistent and calm under pressure.
Same here. Sarah, can you check the draft email before I send it to the client?
Sure, let's see. Hmm, Maybe change this sentence to sound more polite. Please find attached the report instead of attached is the report.
Oh, that's a good tip. I'll update it.
Also, add a line thanking them for their time. It makes the email more professional.
Got it. Thanks.
Arjun, are you free for a minute?
Yes, Sarah. What's up?
The client asked for a quick change in the document. It's a small edit.
Okay. What do they want to change?
Just the wording in the second paragraph. They wanted to sound more positive.
Oh, that's easy. I can do it now.
Great. Once you update it, please send me the latest version.
Sure. I'll update it and send it in 10 minutes.
Thanks, sorry for the last minute change.
No problem. It happens.
Arjun, did you get a chance to make that change?
Yes, I just finished updating it.
Great. Can you show it to me once?
Sure, I'll let them know.
Yes, this sounds more positive now.
Good to hear. Should I save this as the final version?
Yes, please save it as a new version and upload it to the shared folder.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Thanks, Arjun.
No problem. Before you go, remember this. If you can understand this conversation, you can speak English at work. That's it. No pressure, no big grammar rules, just simple English used the right way. Practice these lines once or twice a day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Confidence comes with small steps, not overnight perfection. If this video helped you even a little, please like it and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps me bring more such easy lessons for you. And now I want to hear from you. What English topic should I make next? Office meetings? Daily office conversations? Emails? Interviews? Type your choice in the comment box. Your comment decides the next video.